Ready to level up your YouTube channel and make it pop with a killer gaming banner? First, open up Adobe Photoshop and create a new document. Set the width to 2560 pixels and the height to 1440 pixels as the recommended size for YouTube banners. Grab your preferred background. This could be a cool game screenshot, abstract art, or anything that screams your channel's vibe. Simply drag and drop your background image onto the canvas. Now, let's add some text. Select the text tool from the toolbar and type in your channel name. Experiment with different fonts and sizes until you find one that looks awesome. Next, choose a color scheme that's eye-catching and represents your channel's personality. Use the color options to select the perfect choice for your text and background. You can also add other elements like logos or images, which can be added in the same way as your background images. Scale them down if needed to fit nicely into the design. Try arranging the text and images strategically for a balanced layout. Finally, save your banner. Export it as a JPEG file, ensuring it's a high-quality image for proper viewing on YouTube. Review and make sure your banner represents your channel.